Beautiful. Welcome to day 3 of your 30-day meditation challenge with current reflections. Today we focus on something many of us carry: stress and anxiety. But for these next few minutes, you are safe, you are held, you are allowed to let go. Wherever you are, give yourself permission to pause, to soften, to release. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable position. You may be seated or lying down, whatever feels most supportive for your body today. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Let your shoulders melt away from your ears. Allow your arms to relax, your hands to rest loosely, and your jaw to unclench. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale calm and exhale tension. Inhale calm, exhale tension. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice where you're holding tension. It may be in your neck, your shoulders, your chest. Simply notice. We're going to slowly move through the body now, inviting each area to relax. Start with your forehead. Soften the space between your brows. Let it smooth, release. Now your eyes. Let them rest in their sockets, heavy and peaceful. Relax your jaw, unclench your teeth, let your tongue fall away from the roof of your mouth. Bring awareness to your shoulders. Breathe into them, and as you exhale, let them drop a little more. Now your arms. Allow them to feel heavy, grounded. Your hands, unclenched, open. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with your breath. Allow each inhale to fill you with calm and each exhale to carry stress away. Now your belly. Let it soften. No need to hold anything in. Let your breath move freely. your legs. Feel them heavy, supported by the ground beneath you. Let your feet relax completely. You are safe, you are here, you are allowed to let go. Let's move into a gentle visualization now. Imagine you are walking through a peaceful forest. The air is cool and fresh. You hear the soft rustle of leaves, the distant sound of a stream, the earth soft beneath your feet. With each step, imagine the stress leaving your body, melting off your shoulders, falling from your fingertips, draining out through the soles of your feet and into the earth. As you walk, you come to a clearing, a quiet place just for you. In the center, a gentle waterfall flows, each drop washing away any anxious thoughts. Sit by this waterfall. Let the sound soothe you. Let it cleanse you. Breathe here for a few moments. If anxious thoughts arise, that's okay. You are not those thoughts. Observe them like leaves floating down a stream. You don't have to chase them. Just let them pass. Now, let's repeat a few calming affirmations, silently or out loud. I am safe. I am calm. I release what no longer serves me. Peace flows through me with every breath. I am grounded. I am centered. I am at ease. Breathe into those words. Feel them settle into your body. Let them root deeply, like the forest trees around you. Steady, strong, unshaken by the winds of stress. Now, gently begin to return. Become aware of your breath again, flowing in and out effortlessly. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a final deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. When you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Let the light return slowly. Today, carry this peace with you. Stress may knock, but you know the way back. Your breath is your refuge. Your presence is your strength. You are calm. You are clear. You are here. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4, gratitude and positive energy. Until then, breathe and be well.